Hello everyone. Today I want to find x from this equation. You can see here in the left side 4 terms, but the point here is that the number here 6, 7, 8, 9 are consecutive numbers here. So you can choose any solution you want, any way, mathematical way you want, but as for me, I want to solve this problem from another, maybe a different way that I show you later here. My way is that because they are consecutive numbers, I can find the middle number from these 4 numbers. Middle number here is middle. You can take average from these numbers. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 over 4 because we have 4 numbers. If you divide this collection of these numbers over 4, is that 30 over 4, which is equals to 15 over 2. So I can use from this middle number to rename this value of this parameter of x to the another parameter. And another parameter is that I can define it here. X equals to, it's just definition, my new definition, x to change x to y minus, I can subtract the new parameter from this new middle point. By this definition, I can change this term like here, and you can see why I choose this middle point, because everything take average and they get closer to each other. The first one is y minus, I can replace x by this new term, y minus 15 over 2, which is middle number, plus 6, still 6 here, again for the second term, plus 7, and here y minus 15 over 2 plus 8, and y minus 15 over 2 plus 9, and finally equals to minus 1. Okay, you can simplify these numbers, because you can see minus 15 over 2 plus 6 is that minus 15 over 2 plus like 12 over 2, and it will be minus 30 over 2. You can solve it by yourself, but I can just write the result here. Y minus 15 over 2 plus 7 or 14 over 2 is minus 1 over 2. And again here is the result plus 1 over 2, and for the last one is y plus 3 over 2. Finally minus equals to minus 1. And you can see here the result of choosing this middle point is that you can 4 terms that the pair terms are very similar to each other. You can see here, I can show with another color, y minus 3 over 2 is very similar to this one, just the sign signature is minus, in here is plus. And for the second term, here minus 1 over 2, but here 1 over 2, but plus. Okay, you can remember from the mathematical formulas, you have an identity which I can write it here, which is that a minus b times a plus b always is equals to a squared minus b squared. From this squared formula, you can simplify these terms more. So, from the first two terms, you can write it as a simplified form, like the first one squared minus the second one, because it's 3 over 2, they are same, squared, which is 9 over 4. And here, for this one, you can write it y squared minus the number is 1 over 4. And finally is minus 1. And if you see more carefully these numbers, again you can see they are just two numbers, but they are consecutive. Minus 9 4 plus 1 is minus 1 4. So you can use the same approach here for the middle point again here. Okay, because they are consecutive, I can find the middle point again, which is minus 9 over 4 plus minus is minus 1 over 4, because we have two numbers here, so over 2. And you know, when you sum these two numbers is minus 10 over 4 over 2, which is very simple, is equals to minus 5 over 4. So this is our new middle point. And I can use this middle point again here. So we can use the same approach. I define another parameter here. Y is because we have this old parameter is y squared equals to z minus because we always subtract from the new middle point, minus 5 over 4, which is z plus 5 over 4. So again here we use the same approach but with this new parameter. Okay, here I can replace y squared as z plus 5 over 4. Z plus 5 over 4 minus 9 over 4 and z plus 5 over 4 here minus 1 over 4 equals to minus 1. And here we are simplified as we can, because now the first term is z plus 5 minus, because the denominator are same, 5 minus 9 is minus 4 over 4, and here z 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 4 over 4 equals to minus 1. Okay, Now we have z minus 1 and here z plus 1 equals to minus 1. And this is the same formula from here. So you can write it z squared minus 1 equals to minus 1, and you can solve it because you can take this minus 1 to the other side, and minus 1 plus 1 is 0, and so z squared is equals to 0. So you find here the value of the newest parameter here. Z squared is 0, so z is, I can write it here, z is 0. Now if z is 0, you can find y, because y squared here is equals to z plus 5 over 4, so I can write it. Now y squared is equals to z plus 5 over 4, and when z is 0, so is 5 over 4, and so y squared is equals to 5 over 4. And you know, when a squared parameter is equals to the number, so the parameter itself is equals to plus minus the square root of this number, which is the square root of 5 over 2. Now I have the new parameter y here, and I can find the other parameter. Actually, the main parameter we defined before, and you know our parameter x by our definition was y minus 15 over 2. Now we have y here, but for y we have two different values. Okay, I can find x for both of these values. If y is 5 square root over 2, or y is minus square root of 5 over 2, I can find this parameter by this definition. X in this case is square root of 5 over 2 minus 15 over 2, or x is minus square root of 5 over 2 minus 15 over 2. So by this definition, by this new way, by middle point, you can find both of these values for x. If you have any other solution, you can write it in in the comments of this video, and we can discuss it, or maybe we make another videos by your approach. Thank you for your attention.